Come round to mastering English phrasal verbs. Hello, language learners. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of English phrasal verbs. Our focus? A very versatile and commonly used phrasal verb, come round. This can be quite tricky, but by the end of this video, you should feel comfortable using it in various contexts. So, let's jump right in. The phrasal verb, come round, is an interesting one because it has several meanings depending on the context. Here are the most common ones. 1. To visit someone at their house. Why don't you come round to my place for dinner tonight? 2. To regain consciousness. She fainted, but quickly came round. 3. To change one's opinion or viewpoint, usually to agree with someone else's. He was hesitant about the idea at first, but eventually, he came round. 4. To happen again, usually referring to a regular event or date. Christmas is coming round again. Now that we know the meanings, let's see how we can use come round in sentences. 1. For visiting. Come round anytime. My door is always open. 2. For regaining consciousness. After the accident, it took him a few minutes to come round. 3. For changing opinions. I didn't like the proposal initially, but after some thought, I came round to it. 4. For recurring events. Her birthday is coming round again. I need to find a gift. Try to create your own sentences using come round in these contexts. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. The versatility of come round can sometimes lead to confusion. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. 1. Using it for physical round shapes. Come round doesn't describe shapes. Don't say, the moon comes round. Instead, say, the moon is round. 2. Confusing it with come around. While both can mean changing an opinion or regaining consciousness, come around is more common in American English, while come round is often used in British English. Phrasal verbs can seem daunting, but with practice and exposure, they become much more approachable. Remember, the key to mastering come round is understanding its context and usage. Practice making sentences, listen to it being used in real conversations, and soon, you'll come round to the idea that phrasal verbs are not as tough as they seem. Until our next lesson, keep practicing, and happy learning.